guys, I'm Pooja and today I'm going to introduce you to a super amazing store which is selling kitchenware, tableware, a lot of decorative pieces at amazing prices. This is basically Banjara Market online. So I'm going to introduce you to the store and I'm going to show you what all I got. Alright, the store I'm talking about is Olive Home Accents. So I found them on Instagram and they're such a cute little store. They have amazing things and prices are the best. Everything that you might need, from bowls to pasta plates to decorative things to planters, there's everything. I got a few pieces from them. I have been using them for about like 15-20 days and I thought now is the time to introduce you guys to them. So I ordered a few things and it took, I would say, around 2 to 3 days to reach the package to me. Everything was packed so well, I can't even tell you. I am going to add a few clips of the package when it came in. They made sure that nothing breaks while reaching to me, which is amazing because ये सारे क्रॉकरी के साथ या जो भी ब्रेकेबल चीज़ है उसका टूट ना जाएगा डर हमेशा ही बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So when it reached me, it was all in perfect condition. मैंने सबको वॉश कर लिया है. I've been using them for a few days, so of course काफी बार wash कर चुकी हूँ. But when it came in, I opened, मैं सबको wash किया and yeah, I think I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, first thing जिस चीज़ के कारण मैंने उनको scroll करना शुरू किया था are these pasta plates. They are so cute. I love जो इनका color है, even नहीं है, it's kind of distorted and this detailing is so nice. These are small pasta plates and they are available in various color options. I got them in these blush pink and I think that's just the perfect size to eat anything. Like if you're eating poha, upma या आप rice खा रहे हो तो उसके लिए I think ये perfect size है. It's not just for pasta and I have been using them quite a lot in my breakfast. So this. I have 4 of these and each one costs 250 rupees, which is amazing because quality is really nice. I love the glaze on this. Everything is really nice. Nothing is broken. So this is my first piece. As I mentioned, I have 4 of these and I am planning to add 2 more so that मेरे पास एक 6 का पूरा सेट हो जाए. Although आजकल सेट होने ना होने से कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but still I would like to have 6 of each. So yeah. Before I show you the next product, I'm going to tell you that I am in love with the concept of shallow bowls. I think they're the most useful things ever. आप उसमें कुछ भी खाइए, आप उसको सर्व करने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. उसमें ड्राई खाना भी चल जाता है, उसके अंदर सैलेड, सूप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं आप. So I got myself a few salad bowls. I'm going to show you my favorite one first, which are these speckled ones. So these are so nice. They are I think 7 inches. Yeah, they're 7-inch wide, which is just the perfect size. And इनका जो speckled look है ना, आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा in है. So I got the speckled look with a black rim. Great size. They're pretty heavy. And I have been using them quite a lot और अभी तक सब कुछ amazing ही चल रहा है. So I highly recommend getting them. These were I think 425 rupees each. So which is a great price. अगर आप बंजारा भी जाकर लोगे तो आपको वहाँ पे maybe यहाँ से जो टूटा फूटा होता है ना वो बहुत सस्ते में मिल जाता है. But otherwise अगर कोई चीज़ perfect condition में हो तो वहाँ भी इतने का तो मिलता ही है. Not saying that Banjara is not good. Banjara is amazing. I go there quite a lot and I love going to Banjara. But this is a great quality, perfect pieces and they are very inexpensive. So this is a complete value for money. So I got 2 of these, 425 each. Next shallow bowl I got is this one. Now this one is a little different. ये एक simple round shallow bowl है, but I love it. The finish of this is just amazing. This is something जो आप किसी super expensive restaurant में जाते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको इसमें serve किया जाता है. So you can use this for serving or to eat, whatever you want. It's really good. I haven't used this one yet, but I cannot wait to. I think मैं ये use करूँगी जब कोई आएगा उसको serve करने के लिए. And the best thing about this bowl is that you can pair it with other like tableware and it's going to go because it's plain white. This one was 500 rupees each. Let me just quickly check. This one is 400 rupees each. I got one and I think I will have to get at least 1 or 2 more. And last set of shallow bowls are these black ones and they are so pretty. I think they call them stardust bowls and they are very nice. They have this marbled grey engraved into it which looks fabulous and size is again amazing. This is the same size, 7-inch size, which is just perfect for everyday use. So this is fabulous for eating whatever. I think you can anything in this. Shallow bowls का concept यही होता है कि आप उसमें कुछ भी खाओ वो एक तो ऑब्वियसली आई डोंट नो इट्स जस्ट मी या जनरली ऐसा होता है कि अगर मैं किसी अच्छी चीज़ में अपने आप को सर्व करके कुछ खाऊं तो उसका टेस्ट मुझे बड़ा एलिवेटेड सा लगता है, जस्ट फील अमेजिंग अबाउट इट. सो दिस माइट बी जस्ट मी बट anyhow, so I got these are 425 rupees each. Really good quality, very heavy and they look amazing. Honestly I was a little iffy about this because मैंने कभी black crockery ना ली है ना कभी use करी है, but I have to say that I actually like that, so I might have to dabble my feet in some black plates very soon. So I have two of these, as I said they are 425 each. To match with those I also got these two little choti katori bowl whatever you want to call them. ये I think 200 rupees each and very very useful actually for dippings or anything आपको छोटी quantity में कुछ खाना हो कुछ serve करना हो उसके लिए just perfect है. I got two of these. Okay, moving on to the start of the show, which are my ramen bowls. So a girl loves noodles, ramen, soups, and I think उसके लिए perfect है. The best part is the shape. It is just fabulous. I love this detailing on it. ये भी एक plain simple color का नहीं है. इसके अंदर भी बीच में details हैं, patches हैं. They look fabulous. So by the way, if you're not aware, ये सारी चीजें because organically बनी हुई हैं. इसमें कोई मशीन तो है नहीं. So हर bowl थोड़ा अलग होता है एक दूसरे से, which I think is great. So yeah, I got this. This is for 500 rupees. It's a very big size bowl. I actually used it for popcorn on one of my movie nights. Movie nights का मतलब movie देखते हुए and I loved it. So I cannot wait to eat noodles and soup in this. Okay guys, so this is all for this haul. So I'll have to mention that Olive Home Accents की price exactly Banjara market से same नहीं है, but then quality में बहुत फर्क है. When you buy something from Banjara, वो कहीं ना कहीं से थोड़ा सा chip भी हो सकता है, खराब भी होता है. And I do buy a lot from Banjara, so I know how things work there. I'm not saying that don't go there or don't buy from there, but this shop, if you are looking for some great pieces at great prices which can be delivered to your home safely, then I highly recommend going and checking out Olive Home Accents. If you are somebody who's wanting to get like a little more crockery or planters or home decor stuff, but you want to do that on a budget, then I highly recommend checking them out, and I'm sure you're going to find something which fits your budget, fits your taste, and which will reach you super quick. Because जब भी हम कुछ online order करते हैं तो हमें लगता है भाई कल order किया आज आ जाए. So that's possible with this shop. That's all for today's video. I really hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite of all, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.